Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
The panda is an uncommon pet you can unlock once you reach level 20. It requires one habitat slot in your garden to live. Acquiring a panda costs 5,000 coins and triggers a 48-hour incubation period. When present, the panda increases garden attraction by 25% overall. You must provide bamboo as a daily resource to maintain mood and growth. Treat the panda as a slow-grow reward that boosts visitors and passive coin income. Begin breeding by placing 2 compatible parents into the breeding area together. Add a bamboo bundle resource and select up to 3 attempts for faster results. Each breeding attempt consumes 3 bamboo bundles and costs 200 coins from your balance. The base success rate for panda offspring is 25% per attempt before modifiers. After each attempt, you face a 12-hour breeding cooldown on those parents. Use breeding boosters to increase chance and reduce total time if available. Once you obtain a panda, feed it bamboo 3 times daily to keep happiness stable. Maintain panda happiness above 80% to unlock attraction and stall bonuses consistently. Grooming takes 1 staff action and reduces panda sickness chance by 5% per grooming. If sickness occurs, isolate the panda and use the health kit immediately to avoid mood loss. Duplicate pandas can be sold for 500 coins or used in limited trade events for exclusive rewards. Track daily quests that reward bamboo and breeding boosters to accelerate progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.